Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and today I'd like to talk to you about 1997 through 2013 Corvettes. They happen to be C5 and C6. We manufacture a bushing system for the front end that changes the alignment from the lower control arm to the upper. We use a lockout kit on the lower, which is an LOC56, which we're going to show you in another video. And then we have the Shim Kit, which is an SMK56, which happens to be these right here. So you see I have an upper arm here. It's got one of our bushing systems in it. And if you'll notice, it allows for pivot, okay? And these shims will go like this between the cross member and the upper control arm. Changing the thickness or stack height of these shims will directly affect your camber and your caster. We deliberately get rid of the eccentrics on the lower and shift all the alignment to the upper. Now the interesting thing is if you have a hot rod that happens to be based off of C5 or C6 and has a similar system like a bearing kit or whatever in the control arms, this shim kit will work for you as well. So the part number is an SMK56, comes with 12 shims, easy to install. This makes it real simple. Run your stack, whatever that may be, drop it in, lock it down, and you're done. SMK56, 1997 through 2013, C5, C6.